Hi, this is Wayne from Inkish at Printing United Expo here in Orlando. I'm very pleased now to be talking to Johan Mikaelsson, who is VP of Inline Business at Plockmatic. Johan, good to meet you.
Good to meet you, Wayne.
Thanks for your time. I mean, it's day one's just coming to an end. I take it day one's been fairly good for you?
It has been quite a lot of people actually this day, and the first day is normally a little bit less than the second day, but today I think we have seen a lot of people here and a good leads coming up from that.
Excellent. Yeah, I must admit, I think generally the show's been fairly busy.
Yeah.
But obviously there's been a lot happening within the Plockmatic family. You're acquiring new business. Yeah. Is Rens now officially part of the business?
Now Rens is official, and as you can see, the first time ever Rens is in our booth as well, so we're displaying some of their punching and binding equipment here. But it's the first test to show out to the public and announce that we actually now fully own Rens. It's going to be incorporated into the Plockmatic group as a business.
So this is Rens Germany?
No, this is Rens in all over. So we got Argentina, Australia, Turkey as well into that, and UK business as well in that one.
So Plockmatic now in the US will be selling those products across the whole of North America and South America?
The process of sort of letting you know how we will deal with it on a daily basis, because that job really starts from now on when we are fully taking the ownership of Rens.
Right, okay.
Within the Plockmatic group.
Okay, fantastic. I mean, I think it'll be a real asset. To the business.
I think from our perspective, sort of a good mix to our coating business, and we're looking into the same type of customer segments here, especially in the photo industry, where you can see the binder and the calendars together with the coating, making a good example for the customers.
So how is the market at the moment in the US for you? I mean, I know you've got a lot of kit here, you've got some Intech kit. I mean, is there a lean in at the moment in the US market?
We are doing okay-ish, I'd say, in the US market, but of course we are also affected by all the tariffs and all the geopolitical situations as well. And US is a highly important market to us. Right. More than 50% of our business is actually being conducted in the US.
Oh, really?
And we do that either throughout the print partners across the US market, as well as our own dealerships together on the offline market and the packaging and labeling side. Right. But it's a little bit more flattish this year than it has been growing over the past 3 years, but we're still on a stable and good level on that one. Okay. But the tariffs doesn't make life easier.
Well, I mean, because I guess it's going to be slightly different for you, because you've got the Morgana kit that's manufactured in the UK, so that's 15%, and then you've got other equipment that is made in Central Europe that is 25%?
No, that's also 15%.
Oh, okay, okay.
And most of our operations and production comes from Riga, which is a 15%. That's an EU tax towards the US.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So how are you planning to deal with that? Because obviously you can't just hike prices by 15%.
No, at this stage, sort of, we allowed to put up the prices with the tariffs. Yeah. And we expect actually the tariffs to remain on these levels that they are. So it's going to be in the end the consumer or the customers in the US market that will have to take part of that chunk. Right. And maybe we can do part of that from our side through improvement of the efficiency in the production environment, trying to seek cheaper parts and everything. But essentially it will be the end user that will pick up the tariffs.
Right. Yeah. Well, I mean, it's going to be the same for everybody, isn't it? Yeah. I mean, you know, it's one of those things. You just got to go along with the wave, and there's not a lot you can do about that.
And the sales project that we are into, sort of, what is happening right now is that they are a little bit stalling in time, because you wait before you get your final decision. And also getting access to capital is a tough part in the US market. Right. That's also important, since most of this business is done by a financial lease in the end.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's not what you need at the moment, is it?
No, I mean, we like to see business, and I think that Printing United is a good opportunity to show for the whole industry that we are still moving forward. And that is important actually for us as an industry, as a group.
And it's good to see so many European manufacturers here. I mean, you know, that's the thing. I mean, you know, a lot of the kit is made outside of the US, and they're still supporting the event. So that's pretty good. So talking about your stand here, you know, if someone's thinking about coming along to the show, what type of products have you got on display here?
This year we're sort of doing a lot of different kind of launches. We have the embellishment part where we actually launched the ColorFlare as a brand. Comes from the packaging and labeling company that we acquired some years back.
Right, okay.
As the same thing goes with the flatbeds and the sheet cutting machines, so we can do the kiss cutting and die cutting on a lot of let's say we do that in terms of what can come out from a digital printer. The media and the substrate has evolved over time that they can do, so we can now turn that into packaging and labeling solutions in the end from that sense. We're also showing a lot, of course, as you can see over here, our traditional booklet makers, which is really the basis of our machines.
Products.
And we're also launching this new DigiFold Ultra this year, which is a good cutter crease product that is automated in the very end. So you take a virgin paper into a final full applications in the end. So we're doing a lot of launches here. We're also bringing in a new AutoCut or AutoCreaser, small and medium, so we hopefully that will fill the space as well in that one. And of course, we take the coater solutions that is a good, perfect fit and match to the Rens acquisitions, looking very lot into the same type of customers.
So it's quite an extensive portfolio of products for digital finishing, really. I mean, it's almost like a one-stop shop at some point.
It is today. We have grown our offerings and the product portfolio, and the range has sort of grown quite a lot over the past years, and it will continue to grow. Well,
I wish you all the luck for the future. I'm sure Plockmatic will continue to grow.
We hope so, and thank you very much, Wayne, for coming.
Absolute pleasure. Thank you for your time.
We all have a good printing United. Thank you.